How to use Microsoft Excel app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel app. So first thing, go to the app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. If you want to create new document, all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on this option. Now search and choose the type of your document. For example, if you want to create a list or manage your money list or personal budget or whatever, click on it. And now, for example, this template right here, all what you have to do is choose the text that you want to edit here and click on it 2 times like this, and you can edit it easily. For example, as you can see, now you can edit everything here, and after you finish editing a template, all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click save, and it will be saved easily to your Excel. And if you want to share, for example, a document that you just finished, go here, click here and choose share as attachment. Choose if you want to share it as Excel or PDF, and now choose where you want to share it: Google Drive, Gmail or WhatsApp. And yeah, it's very easy to use, as I said. And if you want to copy or share it as a link, go here and click on share as a link, click edit link and choose where you want to share it as a link. And if you want to copy link, click here, copy to clipboard. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.